So good evening, sir, and all the delegates here. Myself, CEO Devika Pakruti. I came as a startup delegate from Andhra Pradesh 2 years. So I'm a EduTech founder. I developed a product for the government aspirants. So seeing these inspiration leaders in 2020, immediate after my graduation, I started this startup. Now it is 5 years industry. People said no when I started during pandemic, but I said myself yes. And today I'm generating last quarter 1 crore 20 lakhs I have been generated in the last 3 months, and I'm the Young Entrepreneur Awardee for Visakhapatnam. And in 2023, I represented Andhra Pradesh in Karnataka, and by the state CM, I received as the Youngest CEO of the Year award. And what I want to say here, sir, how you get chance to visit Singapore as a delegate, I request you to arrange a startup ecosystem like for this partnership summit. I want to see even Singapore startups to have a tour for Andhra Pradesh. I think you can sponsor, or the government can sponsor. So what if we youth can connect with the similar ideas, maybe different, or we both can work, because we are all startup ecosystem and the that daring, passionate entrepreneurs. So I request this, and in that partnership summit also, I request you to give us a startup expo for each and everyone. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, we'll do that. We'll do that. I will lead so many delegations now to expose all prospective entrepreneurs and network with counterparts. We'll do that. Even Visakhapatnam will keep it in mind.
Sure.
We'll do it. Last, any new ideas, or you are having any doubts, we can clarify.
Sir, Your Excellency, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, my name is Ejaz Munsif. I'm with Dell Technologies. I'm based here in Singapore. I'm originally from India. I am so inspired by your presentation, your leadership, your vision. I came to Singapore from India in 1989, and over the years I became a Singapore citizen. After listening to your presentation, I want to move back to India, to Andhra Pradesh.
Yeah.
To Andhra Pradesh, to Amravati. I have a question. I'm the global head for smart cities for Dell Technologies, which was started here 7 years ago in partnership with Singapore government. So we have a world-class smart cities, digital cities, innovation and R&D center here. And we are involved in smart city projects all over the world, including with partners, global partners like Fluent Grid, who is a company that is headquartered in Andhra Pradesh. So your vision for Amravati as a smart city, we would like to offer, Dell would like to offer, that we can make our R&D center here, which is in Singapore, available for doing any proof of concept or any R&D, any research, etc. We would like to offer the assistance of our experience from smart city projects around the world, and the center that we have, the innovation center, we would like to make that available to you.
No, I will be very happy. That is the future. My minister is here, Narayana, Urban Development Minister. He will be in touch with you. We will work together immediately.
Thank you.
Which are all the use cases you are having,
Right.
and technologies you are having, we will introduce straight away from tomorrow onwards. There is no problem at all.
Thank you.
So, 9:20. Yeah. Now, some of them are very curious to ask some more questions, but at the same time, 9:15, better to have dinner. Okay, any doubts you can ask while eating also. Both works can be done simultaneously. Yeah. That so many things are there, I can't tell everything. That's only the problem. In course of time, everything will be explained to people. Those, again, all opportunities are available, just like Singapore. Anybody is interested in any sector, any project, you be in touch with us. Immediately we will attempt and solve the problem and work with you. With this, again, anybody wanted to have any doubts, you can talk while dinner also. We'll interact. Thank you, Ananda.